Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set notifications for promotions in the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then if you scroll down a bit and click on the settings button, then you will be able to find the notifications section. So just click on that. And then within this, look for the promotions section and click on the edit button. And as you can see, you can set the push notifications frequency. So if you drag this white button, you can set it to none, infrequent, normal, and frequent. And you can do the same with the SMS frequency, but you need to add your number to that. So you can just set it. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.